really excited to try this. I got this idea from another consultant. Thank you, Stacy. And I thought it was so cool. The summer cookie mold is what I'm going to use, but we have the spring one. And honestly, this is a silicone mold, so I think you could probably do it with any silicone mold. I'm going to make little pats of butter, but in the shape of the design in the mold. So you just take softened butter and just smash it into the mold so that it's really a, it's full and it fills all the crevices. So I'm going to fill these up and then I'm going to put them in the fridge and I'll show you what they look like when they come out. All right, my little butter pats are done and they turned out so cute. I actually have a plan, that's why I'm excited for these. And you know what, there's just something fun you could do for when you're having pancakes in the morning, just for something fun. But I have to tell you that after I was mushing the butter into the molds, I thought, oh, what if I melted the butter? And I was a little cautious because you know how butter can separate sometimes when you melt it. But I tried it. I put it in one of our little silicone cups and I poured it and it poured awesome. It was easy to fill. But to be honest, I put them in the freezer so that they'd freeze faster and I could do this video. But bottom line is, I didn't like the way they turned out as much as the ones that were just the soft butter that I pushed into the mold. And you could use just a scraper or, just a little spatula to push it in there. And you want to push it in because then you get all the little, I don't know if you can see this, but it's the seashell and you get all the little lines in the seashell and the different shapes when you push it in really good. So I think it's super cute. I have a fun little Easter thing that I'm going to do them for, but yeah, it turned out. So chocolate and then of course cookies you can do in these, and easy, super easy cleanup. I just rinse this one off, but you can also throw it in your dishwasher. So there you have it. Just a fun little idea that you can do this. And again, I thank Stacy for the idea. I didn't come up with it myself. Let's see, cookie mold. Oh, I'm not sure. It's not called Under the Sea. It's called the summer cookie mold.